Hey guys, this is Steve from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property that we're purchasing. We're in Orleans Parish in the Gentilly area. Excuse the sweat, it's very hot outside. Obviously no AC in this house. But look, the seller on this house reached out to us because he'd actually bought it to flip it. And he'd gutted the property, he'd done some of the framing and electrical, and he just realized it's a really big project. Just gonna take more time, money, effort than he really was able to give to it. So he just looked to sell it in as-is condition. So he reached out to us and we're able to come to terms on a price. It's not uncommon for someone to bite off more than they can chew. Flipping's hard. We've had some hard projects ourselves and, got in trouble ourselves. So we know how it can be. But we got down to an art now. So, we don't mind taking on big projects like this, but this is huge. This is 2 levels. It's over 3,500 square feet, so it's a big project. You need a pretty big crew to do this. And with these big projects, a dilemma that a lot of rehabbers face is that, it's 3,500 square feet, so it's huge. It's bigger than all the other houses in the area. The closest ones have sold properties about 2,500 square feet. So, it's big, which people like. So when you're selling it, yes, people like big houses, but they won't pay the same per square foot, right? For that 2,500 square foot house, they're not going to pay the same price per square foot for 3,500 square foot house, but the cost to renovate is pretty similar. You're going to be buying more lumber, material, sheetrock, tile, flooring. The cost is expensive to renovate like this, and you just don't generally get the returns when it starts getting into really high levels, depending on the area, of course. Like if the areas have those big houses, that's fine. In this case, they don't. There's nothing this big at all. So it does make it a hard project and a risky project, and you really want to make sure you can manage your costs and have a crew that can handle it. So in this case, the person didn't, so reached out to us, and we're glad to take on a project like this. So if you have a house you're looking to sell, could be a flip that you don't want to finish, or could be a rental. The tenants just haven't been that nice to the house, and you don't want to kick them out and fix it up. We buy as is in the current condition for cash. We're really easy to close. We don't have a lot of inspections. We don't need to get bank financing because we're using our own cash. So it's a real quick, easy process to sell your house. So if you looking to sell your house that needs work, reach out to us or go to our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. You'll find lots of information about selling your home. Thanks so much, guys. I'm gonna go home and take a shower.